Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you 3 ways how you can solve the problem emulator not working or error when running your app in emulator. So let's get started. So the first solution is going to be setting up SDK path. So to check this whether you have set your SDK path, you need to go to tools and here you will be having the SDK manager. And in this SDK location you need to have a path. If you don't have a path, you will be obviously getting an error. So in case if you don't have a path over here, to the right you will be having this edit. Just click that and make sure that you are checking both of these. You need to check this Android SDK also and check this Android SDK platform and just click on next and click on next and it will install. Okay, since I have already installed, there is nothing to do over here, but in case if you don't have, you need to do this. Okay, once you're done with this, just click on finish and you will be automatically getting the SDK path over here and you need to click on apply and okay. So after doing this, just restart your Android Studio and again try running your app. It will surely work, and this is the way how I actually solve this issue. And the second solution is going to be you need to run this particular command flutter config --- Android SDK. So I think this also does the same thing as the first method, but anyways just try doing this. After this we need to specify our SDK path. So it's going to be tools SDK and under Android SDK you need to just copy this path and just paste it and you need to just hit enter. So yeah, so this is the second way and you need to restart obviously, yeah, as usual. And if this two methods doesn't work, the third method is going to be create new device. So you'll be having the device manager over here and you need to click on this plus and you're going to create a new phone or any other device that you want. You need to just select the required Android version and you need to just click on next and create a new device. And in case if you are still facing any errors even after trying this out, you can just watch my tutorial on how to set up Android Studio for Flutter as well as Java. You can click on the card that is appearing on top. So that's the video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Learn a lot of videos in programming and AI. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.